The Wabash Valley's most accurate and reliable newscast continues with Storm Team 10 meteorologist Lindsay Monroe.
Welcome back, everyone. The sky has cleared out through the overnight. We are going to see several factors in keeping our temperatures well below average today. We are already dropping into the lower 50s, much cooler by about 7 degrees at where we were this time yesterday. We're at 51 here in Terre Haute. The winds coming in out of the north and northeast at 9 miles per hour, and it's that northerly wind flow that will keep those numbers down for today. Notice that there are a few clouds out there. We do not have a completely clear sky. We're not going to either. Today, a good mixture of sun and clouds as well as that very fall-like air. Temperatures in the upper 40s from Rathville to Paris, 49 degrees currently. Very close to that in Mattoon at 50. It's 52 in KZ, 53 in Robinson. Head down to Vincennes where it is just a little warmer near 55 degrees. Still a jacket-worthy start to the day today as numbers are going to stay down. Updated that temperature there. This was a couple days ago. We are actually again looking at the upper 40s instead of the upper 50s. Just a matter of a couple days show you how big of a difference our temperatures can change. Again, very chilly out there. Certainly make sure to grab the jackets during the first part of the day. We keep that mostly clear sky around. However, look at these numbers. 46 degrees at 8 a.m. A very chilly start to our day, slowly rebounding throughout our morning. We'll get back near 55 degrees at 11 a.m. and eventually near 60. By midday, forecast highs today staying in the 60s, near 67 here in Terre Haute. Same deal in KZ and in Paris and Robinson near 68 degrees. Certainly not going to be a warm day whatsoever. Those jackets probably not a bad idea to keep handy for our entire day. We have to talk about Hurricane Joaquin, upgraded to a Category 3 yesterday right around 11 o'clock Eastern time. Still on track to head off to the north, going to impact the eastern seaboard. Notice that this area of probability, this is the cone, anywhere could impact the east coast. We are keeping a close eye on this system as it does intensify over the next couple of days. Officially looks like it's going to be making landfall here by the middle part of our weekend. It currently has sustained winds of 121 miles per hour. When we talked this time yesterday, it was still a tropical storm and intensified very rapidly. So as far as what we are looking at for us and the impacts of this storm system, increased cloud cover for the weekend and even some rain chances as well. Here's what it looks like on satellite. It will continue to lift off to the north, again becoming a very strong hurricane, only the second of this season in the Atlantic. For us here locally, again, not much as far as active weather. Today stays pretty quiet, just dealing with those cooler temperatures in that mixture of sun and clouds. Here's at the afternoon hours today. We'll head hour by hour, putting us through about the 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour, and that is when we see again the sky beginning to clear back out for us. Clear skies through the overnight, and once again going to be relatively cool. Evening planner, if you have plans, keep in mind we will see a partly cloudy sky as temperatures drop back to the 60s and eventually into the upper 50s by 10 p.m. Overnight lows right back into the upper 40s. Very chilly once again as we wake up tomorrow morning. 46 in Rockville to Mattoon, 47 in KZ and Robinson, set to drop back to near 48. All right, we'll time out the remnants of that system in the tropics. Here's 11 o'clock tonight. We'll go through the overnight. We do stay dry for the overnight hours, and most of the day on Friday stays dry as well. We'll increase that cloud cover gradually over the course of the day, partly to mostly cloudy. Here's 5 o'clock, still looks dry. Same deal putting us into our Friday evening. The better chance for rain looks to hold off until after the sun sets, until we head through the overnight. Here's Saturday at 7 a.m. keeping rain chances off and on in the forecast through our Saturday as we deal with that leftover moisture that is developing off to our east. So rain does look to return late Friday into Saturday, and we'll keep the clouds around for the weekend. 67 and mostly sunny today. That cooling trend continues. Highs only in the lower 60s for the weekend. Again, rain Friday night through Saturday, dry on Sunday, and then warming back into the 70s by the first part of next week.